Welcome back to My Rice Around the World. This week we are in China. Episode 3, we are making fried rice. I hope you try this at home. It is by far the simplest recipe that I've made so far. Please give this a try. Very few ingredients, very simple, but very delicious. If you grew up in Brooklyn like I did around Flatbush Avenue, the Chinese food was top tier. I feel like this recipe for fried rice, top tier. Let's give it a try. Just like the Chinese restaurants on Milford Avenue in Brooklyn that I grew up with. Delicious. So flavorful. You have to try this at home. It is by far the simplest dish I've made. next. Now tell me in the comments, who's down to make some biryani with me?